To add a background image in Wix, start by logging into your Wix account and accessing the editor for your website. Click on the background option in the top menu bar. Then select Add Background Image from the drop-down list. This will open the Wix Media Manager, where you can upload your image or choose one from the Wix library. Choose an image that is relevant to your website's content and is high quality. It is recommended to use an image with a resolution of at least 1024 pixels to ensure it looks good on all devices. Once you have selected your image, click on the Apply button to add it to your website. You can then adjust the image settings to fit your needs. You can choose to repeat the image, stretch it, or fit it to the screen. You can also adjust the opacity and position of the image to get the desired effect. It is best to use a background image that complements your website's content and does not distract from it. To ensure your background image looks good on all devices, make sure to test it on desktop, tablet, and mobile. You can use the Wix Preview mode to see how your website will look on different devices. This will help you identify any issues and make the necessary adjustments to your background image. By following these steps, you can easily add a background image to your Wix website and enhance its visual appeal. Remember to choose a high-quality image that is relevant to your website's content and adjust the image settings to get the desired effect. With a little practice, you can create a professional-looking website with a great background image that engages your visitors and sets your website apart from the rest.